Good morning, welcome to the vlog. We've got concrete today. We have some help.
Can anyone stop the noise that's inside my head? A voice that keep telling me things, horrible things about you. And I remember what they used to say, you should count to 10. And then you take a deep breath and run out of things to say. But I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then I start a little war. Yeah, I start a little war.
I decided to be a brave girl and go out and watch them do the concrete just as Joel was climbing up the chute of the truck and scraping whatever loving little piece was in there because there was it's not that there wasn't enough. There wasn't a grain. There wasn't a crumb left over. Not a crumb. In fact, the spillover from underneath, they had to shovel that up and put it on. But I think it looks good. I think they had like just enough. Not any extra, just enough. So I came back inside. Yesterday the concrete got finished and I was a nervous Nilly, but guess what? Let me show you. If you were wondering how the Boxelder bug situation is going, well, they're still rampant, yeah. Rampant, rampant. Are you serious?
Mm-hmm. Well, I need to keep them outside before it gets too cold. And quit eating the
I don't think it'll be too cold. They say that they
be.
take them out in the like.
Yeah, but like right now when it's nice, like I want to make sure that I'm out.
Oh my
He's so sweet. I think this one's the girl. One lady does it. It's foul.
Yeah, lady can't eat the grass.
Gross. Don't eat the grass.
Finding all the Boxelder bugs to eat. Okay, I got a little sidetracked. Here's the concrete. It turned out so good. See how there's like different colorations on there? Why does it look like that?
Just the sealant. Under the trailer there was kind of different colorization and it's all evened out.
Okay, so it's just because it's brand new.
Yeah.
And probably because it's a little cold.
The sealant, yeah, it's not hot. The sun's not bleaching it yet. It will.
Okay. You don't think it's anything to worry about?
I don't think so.
This is the first time I've walked on it. Do you think we put too much sealant on it?
No, I don't think so.
It's pretty thick. You can drive your car on it, and it's definitely wide enough to drive your car on, so I don't plan to, but you can. Friday night. He's got hot dogs, buns, stuff for s'mores, all the things they need for a bonfire. Sodas in hand. But how cute are they for taking multiple trips? They went and got chairs for themselves. They went and got a table for themselves. Tell me that doesn't look like a dream. Well, they did it. They got the fire going. Successful fire and dinner tonight. I think they're just trying to get their condiments to come to the end of the bottle though. Lincoln couldn't get enough of the fire last night. He is out there this morning and he is burning down all the wood. Hopefully he doesn't burn down the hillside. I've just been sitting here watching the cats and Lincoln. And there's a reason that the internet is just nonstop cat videos. They are so funny. They are so funny to watch. There's one right here and there's one right here. This little one is just hiding from this guy because he won't leave him alone, which is so funny. He's pouncing on him, and anyway, they're being kind of funny. Here he goes. Just pounces on him, walks away. The other cat literally does nothing. Look at that one. He is so funny. See, look, he's looking at him. He's burrowing down. He's like, all right. Yeah, there he goes. Oh, they're so cute. Saturday morning. I should be planting bulbs, but what I'm actually going to do is go pick up the boys because they've been mowing lawns this morning. They've been mowing with Olivia also, but Olivia's gonna take herself somewhere else. Anyway, I got this new jacket. The friggin' cutest. I feel like I'm gonna wear this every day this fall. What's in that bag? What's in your bag?
Oh, snow pants and gloves.
Snow pants and gloves because...
I grew out of mine.
Well, duh, that too, but what are you gonna be for Halloween?
Oh, it's not just for Halloween. That's...
I know.
Oh, a ski bum.
Yeah, he's gonna be a ski bum and he has to get the stuff anyway.
So
we got him hooked up. He says sweet. I went and got like 100 packages from the mail today. Had to get soap for my bathroom. My hand beater gave up the ghost, so I had to go get another one.
woke up at like we got up 6 in the morning.
Did Dad get up with you or?
He came and woke us up.
Oh, he did? Okay.
Yeah, we had to mow lawns this morning.
Yeah.
We didn't have to get up faster. Normally we have to get up at 5 and be here by 6. But this time we got up at 6. But I had to be here by 5. I was so tired.
7.
Oh yeah, 7.
That's Meredith taking care of its first mouse, earning its keep already. Are you taking notes there, Oscar? You got to watch that cat. Oh, baby, I'm so happy right now. There. Oh, and some cows are gracing us with their presence. Look at that guy. I mean, they are so handsome.
My favorite one is that.
I think we need to put a gate at the bottom of our property.
With them inside of it?
No, with them outside of it. That's so cool. But I'm sure proud of you, Meredith.
Meredith!
I was just playing with it. Huh? That's hilarious.
He's like, hey, show him my trophy.
He's like, who are you guys? Those are cows, Meredith. Leave them alone.
He's gonna go try to
They'll
take
kill
them.
you. Oh, I don't know what's cooler to watch. These guys
Nothing.
or Meredith. Good thing I am getting rid of this wood pile. Look at that wasp's nest. Oh my gosh.
The leaf blower, it glowed.
Did you light it up?
Oh yeah.
Alrighty, we have been burning some of the wood that's like all this junk wood left over, splitting everything. We stacked a ton of wood on the other side of the shop.
Chips.
Oh. And now Lincoln and I are having a little picnic. Mom and Boston and Cody are in town getting snow gear and stuff for something that Boston needs, Cody needs, I don't know. Me and Lincoln are doing some chores here with Meredith. Olivia is getting ready for her dance day date right now. So since we have to be out here tending a fire, let's have a picnic while we're at it.
Hot dogs, chips, s'more.
You stay out of that, Meredith. Alrighty.
We should show them the coals when it gets hot.
Okay, I showed Lincoln how to do this. This is how, I think it's what they call a foundry. Is that what they are at work? Blow
Watch
it.
those kind of glowing coals.
Okay, you got to get it closer. Get it closer. Yeah. Makes the temperature of that fire triple.
I was just playing the piano and Cody was like, Mom, Mom. I I shouldn't laugh because when we get our yard in, this is going to be a problem.
Yeah, it's gonna
Yeah.
go in the grass.
We're gonna have to put a gate down. I know right where they're coming in from. Look at them just make a line. I mean, that's pretty crazy. I know where they're coming in from. Oh, look, they're gonna go through our yard into the neighbor's yard. Usually they come up to the front. Oh. Who's scaring them? What just happened? What just happened?
Maybe it was a snake.
Who scared him? What happened? Look at that. Are you guys seeing this? What scared them? What was over there?
Maybe a snake
You think?
or a mouse.
I don't think that would scare them.
With a rattle.
All right, see you later, guys. What?
Meredith caught a mouse.
How do you know?
I was right there when it was eating the head. It's eating the whole body.
Which one? The older one or the younger one?
Not that one, but
Not the baby
But
one.
whenever Oscar gets near him, when he's eating it, it'll.
It doesn't want the baby to get it. Oh my gosh, where did you see him eating it?
Over
By the wood pile?
by the bucket. Yeah.
So I told Joel, I said, I don't want that wood pile up by the house. Mice are going to get it. And then we were watching the cats
Eat right there.
jump all over that. So one, they were... What?
He's coming.
Oh, gosh, you scared me. It's okay. Just push him away if he tries to walk in.
That was good of you.
Then we saw the cats jumping up on the... Yes, that was a good boy. Good job. We saw him jumping all over the wood pile, and we thought, well, if there's a mouse, then they'll get him. So he caught a mouse over there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yeah, we saw like 5 mouse run under a wood thing, like
No.
run away. Yeah, so
No.
he caught one.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so we were planning on getting rid of this around their warming thing. We have a warming blanket inside. We have a warming water thing in there.
But it's actually nice.
But we have this, and at night we like to close it so that predators don't get them. Because I was worried about that.
Did you see the Highlanders too?
Yes. Oh my gosh, where were you when they were running?
Right there.
Was that pretty cool to watch?
Really awesome.
Just a little maverick run for the evening. What is wrong with us?
Absolutely nothing.
I just want food, okay? I just want food and we don't have any food. I've been doing all this prep. Okay. You know what? I am. I'm going to heat up the...
Pork loin.
I don't want pork loin. I'll have the potatoes. That'll be great. Look how big these guys are. Can you even believe how big they are? No, oh gosh, this smells so bad. So ducks are just filthy. You look at anyone's videos, they will say the same thing. This water was cleaned yesterday. That's fresh water as of yesterday. They're foul. They are so poopy. This is not a permanent structure. This is like for the time being. But I really wanted to mostly show you, okay, well, he doesn't want me to show them. And they know how to use, well, kind of use this. They use that, but most of the time they just bellow out of there. I don't know. Anyway, okay, well, they're being difficult right now, but they have grown so much.